we suck, you don't have to buy merch. Actually, this first one has a sing-along also. Don't worry, I'll tell you the words as we go. Shoot. 1, 2, 3, 4! It's in me now like a ton of bread. Life, don't know when to quit. Look at me facing the real fast. I'm on a train deranging and the tracks down. Relax now. What if you forget about the text now? So we do now seize the day like heartbreak day. First part is, please prove me wrong. And, yeah. Please prove me wrong. Wait not too long. Wait not too long. Show me my way. Show me my way. I gotta breathe. What do I pay? What do I pay? You're gonna have to forgive me. I'm gonna probably be out of breath for the rest of this set. Of course. This next song is about relationships and what not to do in them. consequences you should live without. Listen, my friend, think of the end. There's no love when it's love on a land. Getting closer again, she whispers, just friends. There's no guard for the shots going off in his head. Time is almost too short as they reach for the door, but it's slammed in their face by the lust at the core. Everyone knows adultery is a sin, so together really there when it's love on a land and it's hard to believe that a man so big can step out on a wind when it can't pretend. Figure it out, you're full of doubt, consequences you should live without. Listen, my friend, think of the end. There's no love when love on a land. Figure it out, you're full of doubt, consequences you should live without. Listen, my friend, think of the end. There's no love when love on a land. It's Charles, everybody. Charles on the guitar. It's a two-way street, but on the other end, there's another good soul playing the game on the man. But it seems he lost his way, and she thinks it's okay, while another's at home, having dreams of a stay. Don't forget about her, don't forget about him. The girl needs in close, now they're right on the rail, and the cigarette smoke intoxicates their bones. The touch of the lips is all alone. Figure it out, what will the down consequences you should live without. Listen, my friend, think of the end. There's no love when love on a land. Figure it out, what will the down consequences you should live without. Listen, my friend, think of the end. There's no love when love on a figure it out, what will the down consequences you should live without. Listen, my friend, think of the end. There's no love when love on a All right. Thank you. You guys look great. Let me get a tiny bit more lead vocals in here. Hopefully I'm not too off key for you guys. This next song is a cover. Oh yeah. detention, trapped in a brutal invention. If it stops, I'm having a bad dream. If it stops, I'm having an unshakable nightmare. I don't have to share. Sometimes I love myself. I use that you don't dare. The MTA, 20 minutes delay. So hard on the ground, but on time to take part of the land. Fucking music playing in my head. If it stops, I'm counting on you. This next one's called Free Bird 2. Just kidding. And this is Luigi on the bass. I saw a train driving one day down the railroad, far, far away. And I thought to myself, if I owned a train, it would be a steam engine or Samson. Shut it! Give me a hand, won't you take me to my land? My early youth, the stories to tell, a trip to California for my birthday, of a sister and brother, a journey of steel with old innocence and a heart. Hold it! Give her a hand, won't you take her to her land? Passenger car on a night so glad, when I took a blanket that my sister had, and the people around us lost in their dreams on a night so calm and soft as the sea. Doctor, give us a hand, won't you take us to our land? Won't you take us to Baby, why you go slow? And it's swimming to see how he's gone. And catches on slow. Tell him no. We gotta tell him no. We gotta tell him no. We gotta tell him go slow. We gotta tell him go slow. We gotta tell him go slow. All these songs, except for the cover, are on our upcoming album. That album sounds pretty insane. And we have a guest appearance from somebody who's also on the album! Maddie, everybody, she's on the album. She sounds great. And this next song is called... Oh. Is that right? Wow, that is way off. Way off. Okay, now that's better. Are you serious? Holy shit. Yeah, no, I got it. I've been there one time, there's only one time. But too special to say never met. So I can get away to make my whole day. The times I had, trading you. otherwise it'll be way too expensive to replay. Way too far to travel in the dark to find anything that might win. But inside, there might not be a friend with what is on the table. Some of you guys know this and you can sing it with me. It's just the chorus, feel free to sing along. I wanna laminate my soul to protect it from water and everything else. Please do not peel it away this time, otherwise it'll be way too expensive to replace. Do we have any time left? Are we good? One more, sure, let's do it. Tribute to millennials. This song. Yeah. Yeah, let's do tribute. Yeah, sure. Yeah, this song is about just an annoying person. They're probably fine, I don't know. You try to pretend, but sir, I'm right here. You can reach a big mistake and right here to have no fear. Your classic protection to serve, realize it was walking days, no way on or west. Your ears do not hear you. I expect to hear me. Yes, I'm that millennial. I'm the most ungrateful person here. Let's be clear, I'm busy and I'm sweaty and I'm reckless. I might as well be pushing up daisies. Does that please you? Not to be rude. They are guilty of a lot of things, but nothing yet more mentioned. Let's be clear, I took just a little bit less. This shouldn't be a test. I'm putting in my work. You can take a rest. I'll pay for your retirement. I'll save the environment. I'll get kids to racism. And I'll fix that online pay system. You know, I'll also end conflicts abroad. I'll clean the bathroom stalls at my bare minimum wage job with all my debt piled on. In the comfort of my own home. Oh, no, my apartment. No big deal. No big deal. So the next people